What's up YouTube? AVI back with another video, and today we're going to be giving the Bronco a nice car wash. We haven't been driving it too much, so it's been getting dusty in the garage. We've been away on trips and doing the Lightning stuff and Mustang stuff, so we've kind of been not paying too much attention to the Bronco, but it's time to give the Bronco a nice wash, so just thought it'd be a cool video just to show you guys how I go about washing it. So let's do it. So that was it. It's only 5 minutes of car washing, but as you can see, there was tons of like dust and dirt built up like in between these crevices, and now with just 5 minutes, it's completely clean. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys are excited for more Bronco content, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. If you guys want to come over here, let's give you a reminder that we're just going to replace these panels. And yeah, there's some other small things that we want to get done, but for now, that's it, and please subscribe and support us, and just like that, AVI out.